Hello, welcome to this Tech Bond training video. My name is Don Myers, the inventor and developer of the Tech Patch repair system. This is Adam Bauer. He will be the one actually doing the wrap. Once applied, the wrap will resist UV rays, weather, corrosion. Once applied, the Tech Patch repair system is permanent. The materials and the tools necessary to repair a hole in a steel pipe are the cleaner and a soft cloth, your adhesive, the TPRS wrap cut to lengths, a heat gun, a glue squeegee, and the accelerator. The steps to repair a steel pipe are sandblast the pipe, clean the pipe to remove any residue, cut your TPRS wrap or patch to length, apply the adhesive to the patch using concentric circles and a bead of the adhesive all the way around the edge. Apply the patch. Use the glue squeegee to apply pressure on the patch or wrap to squeeze out every excess drop of adhesive between the patch and the substrate. Apply 3 additional layers of adhesive on top of the patch, spreading each layer with the glue squeegee. Apply a light mist of the accelerator onto the layers of the adhesive. Use a heat gun to warm the patch to approximately 120 degrees Fahrenheit, which by touch is very warm. This repair will resist weather, UV rays, most chemicals and fuels, and will be permanent.